Hi, I'm Bennett Fitch, and I'm here with another Noria unboxing. Okay guys, I just unboxed this. As you can see, I have took out one of the single point lubricators. This is from Pulsarlube. This is the Bluetooth edition, so we'll talk about how that connects to your phone in a little bit. A few things to note here with Pulsarlube's Bluetooth edition. Yes, it's going to connect to the phone, but the technology here, it's a more resistant IP65 rated device. That means protection against the dust, dirt in the environment and these plants, water if it gets nearby. And it's also overall, can handle a lot of impact. I just dropped one earlier by accident and definitely was able to handle all that. And so we'll go through a few things here. There's an on screen here which tells you the setting that it's on. The settings are what may be familiar with you. You can set it from 1 to 12. That's the number of months it takes for that grease to be dispensed. That's your control for how much grease goes into your bearing. In fact, let's get a bearing over here to show you how that gets put on. So it's pretty easy. We have this single point lubricator and we just install it right where you would have a grease fitting. And you might have an adapter here, but the adapter is also there to help provide some rigidity so that any vibrations, it can handle it. Once we get that installed, definitely make sure there's nothing nearby that could possibly hit it, especially equipment that's moving around. And it's good to go. Definitely connect it to your phone. So within a few minutes, you can have your app installed here. You can look at some lubrication specifics, how much grease has been dispensed, how much grease is left, what's the pressure, the back pressure like, just overall conditions of that greasing bearing. And so that's important. You definitely want that feedback. That's not just for the convenience, but if it's at a position where it's not safe to get to that bearing, even if it's just a foot or two away, that could mean the difference between a safe observation and a not safe observation. This type of single point lubricator, if necessary, can be mounted separately and connected to this bearing as well as 7 other bearings to be relubricated. So it's a multi-point grease system, not just a single point lubrication system here. So that's very important. In that case, it's possible you might want to use one of the larger sizes like the 120 or the 240 milliliters. But the visual here, you can still see the grease. So even if we're able to get close enough to see how much grease is left, that's not hard to do at all, and because it has this plastic covering. And I think that's very important when it comes to single point lubricators. And you can always press the button here to show what the setting is at currently. So while the screen can show you what the current status is and the setting it's on, you can definitely check it out on the mobile device, and you can even change those settings, adjust those remotely so you don't have to get too close. This is a convenient feature of this. And get notifications to how the single point lubricator is doing. So Pulsarlube definitely has thought of everything with making sure you can access it remotely with this Bluetooth edition here. So let's talk about where you might see something like this being used. Obviously I have it on a rolling element bearing, lots of different applications like that out there with rolling element bearings. But it could be on conveyors, it could be on pumps, it could be on fans, electric motors. There's a lot of different applications where single point lubricators provide a lot of value, especially when there may be several lube points, grease points clustered all close together. You can have those all lubricated from a single lubricator here, and so it makes it more convenient for those operations. The ability to communicate with it is really important. Understanding the environment you're working in where it's really dirty, sometimes really difficult to keep these things clean. They come with a cover here that's easy to put on it. They also have a label here. This is just showing you what the grease type is to make sure it's confirmed. Whoever might be coming up to it to make sure they know what grease is in there. It also comes with a service pack. So this service pack, as you might think, once this grease is dispensed, maybe it's setting for 3 months. So in 3 months, you're going to have to add more grease. It's not very hard. All you have to do is get the grease. Come with an extra battery, by the way. The grease cartridge, and you can just take this off. I have the one currently on here, and this screws right off, and then you can put this one directly back on, and then when you're ready, just turn it back on. And then you can make the setting again to make sure that it's spaced correctly for the next 3 months or 6 months, or however you want that to be. So ultimately, the data is on your device as you connect it with it through Bluetooth. You can take that data and export it to your computer with a CSV file or a different kind of file there that's necessary for you. But the value of this comes down to convenience, comes down to better lubrication, consistent lubrication. It helps you reach those best practices with lubrication. Otherwise, this is a manual process. The steps to take to use a grease gun, to add grease, that's obviously been still used and will continue to be used in many applications. But it's laborious, and it comes with errors. You can overgrease, you can undergrease. Those both create scenarios where it damages the bearing. So this, when set correctly, ensures that you have the right amount of grease going into it, improves the overall safety with how you're applying grease. It's done remotely. You can monitor it through the app. So any dangerous environments or areas you don't want to get exposed to the moving conditions of the machine, this is a really good solution. And the consistency of lubrication, and then you can make decisions based on what's coming from the device, that data I was telling you, more data-driven lubrication decisions and best practices associated to that. Overall, the lubrication that's being performed with the single-point lubricator, it lowers the overall maintenance costs because you're able to make sure there's efficient lubricants going into the bearings. You're more or less removed from that. Otherwise, you have to go through those manual steps, and it reduces downtime with the consistent grease going into those bearings. So if you're looking for a good solution to add grease to your bearings or multiple points or across your entire plant and be able to communicate it remotely through Bluetooth within a few feet, that could be a range of 5 meters or up to 20 meters, this is a great solution. And definitely check it out more on the link below if you're curious about this. So thanks for listening. We'll see you in the next unboxing.